Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone zoomed screen. So guys, as you can see here, when you open your iPhone and your screen has been zoomed, so guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to force restart your iPhone first. So guys, how can you do this? Simply you need to click on volume up button, volume down, and guys click and hold on power button until Apple logo is appear. So guys, as you can see our volume up button, volume down, and click and hold on power button. So guys, after doing this you need to wait for Apple logo appearing on your display. So guys, when Apple logo appear, then guys you need to release your power button. So guys, wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see Apple logo has been appeared. So guys, you need to release your power button from iPhone, and guys you need to wait for new page opening. So guys, wait for a few seconds. So guys, when your iPhone will be opened, then guys your problem will be fixed as well. So as you can see here, simply you need to open your iPhone, and guys now you can see my problem has been fixed. So guys, after fixing your problem, you need to open your settings, and guys you need to scroll it down, click on accessibility, and guys you need to click on this zoom tab, and guys you need to turn off this tab. And guys, after doing this your problem will be totally fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.